Hey you guys, it's your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and today I'm just doing a quick unboxing of the GNC Pro Box that I got. Perfect. Okay, if this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. That way you can kind of be up to date and stay in the loop of what I got going on here on my channel. And hit that bell. That way you will get notified each time I have a new YouTube video. So just looking at the GNC Pro Box, I'm just going to read a few things from offline off of their webpage of what it says about the Pro Boxes. It says get free gifts, 8+ samples, coupons and more, delivered to your door twice a year. You can have a choice to pick like what category you would like to have. So it says choose a men's or women's performance, wellness or weight management Pro Box to get a ton of good stuff for your goals. So it's almost like you're getting some samples of stuff so you can see whether you're ordering online or once you're going in the store, you know, what you like that they've sent you, and if it's something that you want to include as a part of your health regimen or workout schedule or dietary schedule, things like that. So we're just going to dive right in, you guys, and take a look what's inside of this box. Okay, so I hope you all are staying healthy and things like that out there. So we're just going to look to see. I got these boxes in the past. I've never seen anything like this. What it says, this is distributed by the General Nutrition Corporation, GNC. So it's called Beyond Raw, and it says Precision EAA Elevated, and it says it has a flavor of gummy worm, and it says natural and artificial flavor, 1 serving, and it says it's a dietary supplement. So this is one of the I guess samples you could say I have in here. So just a dietary supplement, mix 1 package with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water and consume when you need additional energy and focus. Oh, energy and focus. This is something good right here. So I'm going to have to try this out. So we have this GNC Prebiotic Goals here. And I'm thinking this is like a probiotic. So it just says supports digestive comfort in as few as 7 days and improves the growth of healthy digestive tract by bacteria. So probably like some type of a probiotic they've included in there. I think a lot of the boxes I have got in the past have had like a probiotic. This here, oh, I don't need this one. Somebody out there might need this one, but you know, when I get ready to go to sleep, I have no issues at all. But this is some melatonin, and it says it's time released. So I'll probably give this to somebody who needs some help falling asleep. I don't got them problems at all. So it's 3 milligrams. It says supports restful sleep and their time release. So I'm gonna pass that on to someone else. And then, oh, they funny out here. Look at this. GNC Men's Ultra Nourish Hair. Come on, y'all. Come on now. Look at this. Your boy J-Hen out here bald, but I might try these out, see what they can do for me. No, but I think that's over for me. But supports, I guess, the formation and foundation of structural found. It says supports the structural foundation of strong, healthy hair. All right. What else we got in here? Another product, I guess, by Beyond Raw, and it says Lit pre-workout. Oh, green apple, Jolly Rancher green apple. I'm gonna have to try this. It does contain caffeine, but I'm gonna have to try this to see if it really tastes like green apple. Can't wait to try that out. And then we have here a layered lean bar, hunger satisfying, high protein snack. It has 16 grams of protein, gluten-free, 190 calories. Oh, snap. And this tastes like, I guess, Girl Scout cookies, Thin Mints. I might have to eat this tonight. Thin Mints. Tastes like Thin Mints, you guys. 190 calories. And, oh, it's just a bar. And then, oh, I've got one of these before from GNC. Just a nice 7-day pill case. Really nice. I guess I could use this. You can use this for traveling. use it for day-to-day stuff. I normally use the one I got in the past, like when I go travel places, put like my vitamins, supplements, sometimes allergy pills, things like that inside of here. But these always are good and it can always come in handy. Looks like GNC Amped is the brand, and it says sustained protein blend, and the flavor of this is s'mores. So, and it's a dietary supplement. Might have to try this out. Sometimes I like chocolate, sometimes I don't, but I'll try that out. It has the s'mores. And then here's a $40 I guess card here, and it's for Sunbasket. It says live deliciously. Get chef-crafted, farm-fresh meals delivered ready in minutes. Oh, okay. So $40 plus free shipping plus 4 free gifts. So I'll have to see how this works here and what this is all about. I never really use these coupon cards that they give out, but I might just try it out, see what's going on with it. And please join us for the next Pro Days, December 10th through the 16th. And then they send us something too that often has, like, you know, coupons and lets you know when you can come into the store or maybe shop online and get extra discounts. And you guys, there you have it. That's all that's inside of my GNC Pro Box. You know, you can be checking back to the channel. I'll be doing more unboxings, as well as I'll be doing Travel Tech Tuesdays, where I will be showing some of the equipment that I use here on my YouTube channel, whether it's I'm filming in the home, outside, or traveling on a ship, plane, or in some other city. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, it's your boy J-Hen. And you know, if you want to know a little bit more about the GNC Pro Box, I guess you can check GNC out. Peace.